Hey my friends, how are you? I'm just going to give you a quick look at what I've been working on for the last couple of days. So I've been laying the stones down for the road. So all these little patterns are starting to form. It's really fun. I'm having a great time. So what I'm doing here is I'm just getting bits of plastic like this. So I cut these all out and I just place every single one individually like so, and then I glue it on so I get a bit of the, because it's plastic you can use the acetone, and then you just glue it on and yeah, just move it around a bit so it gets the bond nice, and there we go, we just placed one on. So I've got a whole heap of I just go through my spare plastic box here and get out the thin ones, you know, ones that I like for brick size, and then I cut them into 8mm segments. So I just scribe 8mm segments and break them off with that and then place them on. It takes ages, but it's really sort of hypnotic. It's pretty fun. So that's just what I've been doing. I like how the hill goes up. It feels really smooth with the bricks on. It's nice. So I've got a lot to do. So I've got to finish off this section. Then I've got to, you know, fill all the gaps, cut them out. I've done a bit of it, you know, there and in here and all that. So I've just got to finish off all that, you know, get all these little gaps here filled. You see, I've got better at it as I've gone along. You do improve. That's with everything. So yeah, that's what I've been up to. This is the time consuming part. This is going to take ages. I put a little damaged part in the road because it's going to be a ruined scene in Kharkov. So yeah, here's the building underneath. I'll have to build that soon. And there's lots of good accessories in there, so I can put a street light up somewhere, and yeah, it's going to be good. I'm not sure what this section is going to have, so I know that's going to have the ruin with a broken brick wall going down here. That'll be that. So, and then they will have a cannon and crew here, and we'll have the horse-drawn artillery coming up here. And this spot is free for ideas, so I can edit it into anything. So we'll see how it goes. Anyway, thanks for watching. I just thought I'd give you a quick look at what I'm up to. This will probably take a good couple more days to just even get the bricks down. And then I've got to work out how to fill it and do all kinds of stuff. So, work in progress. I'll see you guys soon.